Just doing an updated video on the fixed paint job on the 2012 Lexus RX350. So it went to the body shop for the third time, and so it was the rear bumper, and it was this quarter panel. This is where the large dent was at. The issue I was having with the last paint job is you could see all the sanding marks here and here, and it was full of fish eyes and dirt in the paint. And as you can see, they did an excellent job. Again, this was done at Preferred Collision in our neighborhood. And there's a little bit of orange peel on the bumper, a couple little fish eyes, but nowhere near what it used to be. They, from looking at it, they had taken off this black trim piece, and instead of just painting right to here, they painted the whole bumper. Still a little bit overspray there that they didn't remove. You can tell they took off the trim piece because it looks like it's on with double-sided, probably 3M tape. It's up a little bit in that corner, and before there was some overspray and some wax that they painted right over with clear coat. That's all been fixed. The blending looks really good, and this quarter panel wasn't painted. It was just the rear bumper on this side. So again, the rear bumper, and then this quarter, and then it would have been blended up to the roof. Again, it looks like they did a great job. There's a little bit of pits or dirt right in there, but again, nowhere near what it used to be. Overall, I'd probably say this is a solid 8 out of 10. I did notice that the rear bumper trim piece, the black piece there, they had put clear coat on it last time, and to be honest, it looks like they clear coated the black trim piece at the bottom of the bumper, which I wouldn't have done, but it looks alright, so hopefully it doesn't peel off. As you can tell how dull this is compared to the bottom piece. Anyways, just an updated video. Again, quite pleased with the outcome. Again, it had to go in 3 times to get to this quality. Again, it's 2012 with only 40,000 kilometers on it. That's why we wanted a nice paint job, and we were pretty disappointed for the first 2 attempts. And again, it blends in nicely here. You can't really notice any difference in color. Again, it's got low miles on it. It was always garage doored, so there's not much fading in the original paint. Anyways, guys, just a short video on an update on the paint job. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. If not, thanks for watching.